Hi, you guys. It's your girl Kendra Moore, and I am checking on the cologne that we started making a couple of weeks ago. If you recall, I did a video on August 6th on how to make a men's cologne or perfume, and eventually it is going to end up in this lovely spray bottle here. But for right now, we're doing phase one of the process, which is allowing the essential oils and the vodka. Yes, I said vodka. If you missed the video, go back and check it out. But yes, we're marrying, did I say that right? Marrying, okay, the essential oils and vodka together. So it's been since August 6th. And what I want to do now, since it's been a couple of weeks, is just to check on it. So I'm giving this a little smell, see how I like it, how it's developing. Now, I have been thinking about adding another essential oil to this. Initially, what we have in here, we have hyssop, basil, and cedarwood. Now, recall I talked about doing a top note, a middle note, and a bottom or base note when you're doing this formulation. So we have 3 essential oils based on that. But you don't have to stick with 3. You do want that kind of formula, if you will, but you can add some more essential oils. So I have really been thinking about adding Ylang essential oil to this formulation. If you have not tried Ylang essential oil, it has a subtle sweetness to it. It's known as an aphrodisiac. So what other good reason is there to add this to a men's cologne formulation, right? So what I am going to do is I'm actually going to add about 10 drops, 7, 8, 9, 10 to this formulation. And now I'm going to just give this a gentle shake and then smell it again. Now, I did like the way it smelled without the Ylang, but I just want something maybe a little bit more sensual, I'm thinking. So let's see how this all, oh, I like it. Okay, all right. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the drops to this. And again, you know, unless you are a professional perfumer, you know, I'm sure there are all kinds of dilutions that you can get into in order to kind of measure things out. Now, since we are just doing this, you know, us common day folks, we are just going to do it by smell, and that is okay too. All right, so I'm giving this a gentle shake, and then I'm going to smell it. I think I added about 4 more drops to this, and now let me see. Ooh, yes, so that's coming together well. So now what I'm going to do is top this back up tight, put it back in my cabinet, and let it sit for another couple of weeks. And then after that, then we'll move to phase 2, which is transferring it to this bottle. And we have one more step. We're not just going to take this and pour it in, okay? All right, well, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. If you missed the video on how to create your own cologne, then I do have it on my channel. And basically for women, it's the same process. It's just a matter of the essential oils that you use, what smell that you want your end product to be. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you next time.